Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Very shortly, we are stepping into the new year. So, in the new year, that is the coming year, we wish that in that year we should earn a lot. We should become rich. So today let us discuss how to become rich in 2025. First of all, you are knowing richness comes because of discipline. If we are having discipline in our life, then only we will grow rich. And moreover, growing rich is a process. It is not overnight. It needs so many rules, regulations, discipline and all that we are going to learn today. So, first of all, remember that nothing is because of fate, luck or anything. Because some people many times they feel that it is not in their luck or it is not in their fate. That is why they are like this. Nothing is in our fate or luck. It is in our own hands. It is in our own hands to be rich or to be poor. So fate doesn't play any role in that, or luck doesn't play any role. We should remember it first. Then next, is only saving enough? If we save, whether we will be rich? No, only saving will not make you rich. You should know how to invest it. You should see how that saved money works for you. Because if you earn and if you keep the money in your own cupboard, you are knowing the power of buying power of money decreases every year. For example, today what you are able to buy for 1 lakh rupees, the same you may not be able to buy next year on this day. You may have then to spend 1,10,000 or 20,000. This is called inflation. That is the buying rate of money. You are knowing it decreases. So, to meet the inflation, even while investing, we should invest in such a way that it should be able to meet the inflation rate. And next, whether we want to become rich just to make a show off? No. We should be rich so that we will live happily, so that we should know our own limits. We should always live in our limits. Don't look rich, but live rich. You should live rich. Don't look rich. It is not bothered what others tell, what others feel like that. Otherwise, there are some people who always wear branded clothes, those who will behave in such a way that others should feel that they are rich. No. We should be rich, but it is for our happiness. And moreover, if we are having money, you are knowing we can help others. We can give jobs to so many people. That is why we should be rich for our happiness. So, we should see that we live rich, not necessary to look rich. And while buying and all, we should buy what is useful. What is useful to us, we should buy that. And next, we should always remember that how our money grows. You are knowing money grows. And we have to learn about the investment options. Different options we should learn. Don't depend on any person and invest your money. Take his help, but at the same time, learn yourself as well. And we should know to respect money. Otherwise, there are some people, they say, what is the use of money? Why you are after money? No, money is not important. Money is important. Today, Ambani is having a lot of money. That is why he is able to give jobs to so many people. So, money is always useful. And money we can earn in a legal way, in a good way, in a respectable way. And next important thing is, keep away from those people who spoil you. Otherwise, if you are having money, you are knowing, you will be having so many friends just to enjoy the money. Keep away such people. Have friends, those who will lift you up even when you fall down. You should have such real friends. Otherwise, the money may gain you so many friends, and those friends will teach you so many things which are not good. So don't be after such friends. On the other hand, keep away from those people who are spoiling you, and have the mindset of learning. Keep on learning. You are knowing learning should be our lifelong process. Till we are alive, we should keep on learning. And while you want to grow your money, you should see that money works for you. You can take professional help, and we have to take. But at the same time, we should have self-study as well. We can't depend completely on them. Afterwards, we can't blame them if anything goes wrong. After all, money is ours. That is why, along with the professional help, we should have our own self-study as well. Next important thing is, we should learn from the mistakes of the others. It is not every time that we will commit the mistake and then we will learn from it. No. Even by looking at them, we can learn from their mistakes. Next, very important is, we should have health insurance, because you are knowing at any time anything may happen. So, health insurance should be there. And if you are the earning member of the family, you should have at least one term insurance for the sake of the family. If anything happens, you are knowing the people should not come on the road. That is why we should do something for them. So if we decide, if we plan well, if we have good discipline, it is not difficult to grow rich. Easily we can grow rich, but for this, very important is good disciplined life, good way of living, and we should respect money always, because money is Lakshmi. We call her Lakshmi. That is why on Diwali day we do Lakshmi Puja. That is why keep on respecting money and learn from others' mistakes as well. Not necessary every time you should commit the mistake and learn from your own lesson. No. And be good in the sense your behavior, discipline, honesty, everything. If we follow all this, we can earn money in a good way, in a right way, and we can be rich in the coming year, that is 2025. Wish you all happy New Year. Hope you all will be very nice, very rich in the coming year. Have a nice day.